Hey everyone, check out this cordless electric compressed air duster that cleans keyboards, PCs, cameras, and more. It offers a sustainable, non-toxic alternative to traditional compressed air canisters, helping protect the environment. This rechargeable duster saves money by eliminating the need for constant canned air purchases. Its upgraded motor reaches speeds up to 150,000 RPM and air velocity up to 42 meters per second for powerful cleaning. The lightweight, compact design is ergonomic and easy to carry wherever you go. You can use it continuously for 13 to 120 minutes, depending on the setting. This versatile tool is perfect for inflating cushions, mattresses, boats, and swimming rings too. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.